How to fix the WSL register distribution failed error on Windows 11 is what I'm going to show you in this video. We'll start off by searching for regedit. Now the best match will come back as the registry editor. Right click, run as administrator. Now let me close out all these. Now what you want to do over here, don't have anything selected and click file, export, and then get yourself export range all, file name, enter a file name, and then go save this as a backup in some convenient place. Probably the best place would be a desktop, so you can find this again. Then hit save as a backup to any changes we do in the registry editor. For any major problems that come up with this, probably not. But once you encounter any of those, you can just click file, import, then import the file we just made to restore the default back to normal. Now, to fix the WSL register distribution failed, we have to go to HK local machine, then open up software, system current control set, then services, and then LxssManager. Scroll down until you see LxssManager. Once you're in here, you will have to either see if there's a start over here under reg underscore dword, double click, and for me it's 3. Now, if you don't have this, right click over here, new dword 32-bit value, and then enter, name it start. As you can see, I already have it, so for me it says I can't do it, but double click once you do have it, and then change this value to 2. If you do that, hit OK, then restart your computer, and your WSL register distribution failed error should be fixed. I don't have it, so I'll keep mine as 3, but the general fix would be to set it as 2 if it's not on 2 yet. I hope this video could help you out. If it did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.